Ansa na yebeto aba na Asojafuo the press release bi eba abonten. Se afia nkasa abato na yeba abeto no ye nhye den hu se Sojafuo agi akenten so achese onfa ha sojani ema yemu bi kura yebo aba so se no kra because ya to aba please for na ya na ye use omo Sojafuo bem wa bra eniema bi mu aye den anase bi antokwa bi ekoso oba bi na emom se bibia nsi ye de a ya na soldiers ne de agya wonom wo barracks wo edi wonom edwuma nanso sabra me no ka say de kamia yen se entasu a wo tete fom no ye hwe videos ne niema bi ekoso ase wo masan e de wo ketrema afa na de enti a me kasa ne se ukoketu sauta ensem bi a esisi ye no in fact eni enyan na yenko tie ensem a esi ye wa bra Asojafuo bi ekopie mu okwan be na omofa so a omokodru ketu sauta sabre ama wonom omo ho nso eni abreseda bi yantwe yampene ema saade no enkoso yenko ketu south na kohwe ade.
Yeah, this car just came to Ketu South with some electoral materials, and the car, they brought some people in, and they don't want to come out from the car. But the intelligence of the Ketu South youth, they're able to impound the car.
Ayo mejiri sa wankasa wasum ote bibia wani sonso uhu de eko na enye honko yenko piem ewo Doma East ehonso de na ekoso timamifo ho kiremu a omo se MPP chairman ono eho eye chairman Dauda sabra me no kasa de wono ne ka na wo hu se soldiers Bebreee na chese wo mo ababa begu ha edi ankasa na omo pe ewo ho omo bo modin atweben omo ebuso omo se na enyamo na mo kasa afia bato yemfa Asojafuo eni abato mu akotene na bibia nsi enu nti yaso omo bebrebe edumagu MPP chairman Dauda edema bakruma na edi ade na mo beye wa ha ena mask na hyewo no kura nso no hyewo ye den edi enti na wa hye mask ena afi kura nso wo ye sojani a udin egu boso nso ewo hefa wo mo se sa ne ema nyina wo mo hu nto mo hu se chairman Dauda em se trick bi na wo pese wo ye no de nkofuo bi ebe yese ya Asojafuo no do ma beguo na afi wo mo pese wo mo ye de wonom edebe nti sabre NDC mabu na wo mo ho nso akika wo mo ewo Doma East yenko na no nso yenko hwe video no.
Yeah, Asojafuo Mr. Moawe Doma East live car we NPP car chairman Dauda NPP chairman car number the VD 5519 and no na Ghana Armed Forces obinu sisa Asojafuo ntade adinipo omota de no ye hudi wo omaba Doma East precisely e wa menafo DC na deploy omudie Mr. Steven Tim fieni de pato yes next time for NPP ni fie soldiers omoka sa fie election security ye hu soldier ocha mask wonanim mfacho mu hwe ye evidence live e wo Doma East live e wo Doma East precisely wa menafo sesia sesia
enti Doma ene omo nso akeka omo se da bi enya de ase ebe pene amasa de na nkoso because mo ankasa ena mo be release statement awa abonten se enya de se mo beje abato no afa na enso ne ye hu de kamia ye se mo je afa no na yensan free way na yenkwansa wam na je se abato ba akope military men Bebreee hey asemo yo yenko ensawam na ehonso yenko incumbent MP a wono nso ewo ho wono ene majority chief whip ene womo nso aka abom na Sojafuo makofa begu nsawam kurom no ensawam fo sa afedo omo yem hwehwe ombuso omo se adan ekon bi na asi ha na sanya kon ena asi na mo pekon akode a ene emo nko Rwanda ne ade na ho na kon wo na de ne Sojafuo Bebreee makwose sa ba begu kurom ayi ti sabre nsawamfo akasa se sa ade no wo mo nte ase na abato ne eba abeto na emom nya ntokwa Edia no makwase sa soldiers for aba begu a eno no ase akola kura pie no hu oma na wo mo yam ahye wo ntin sa womfo se enya de so mo bepene na emom so mo ye o madwen so se ebia se yenwiamu bi no mo ba be wiem a wo mo se ye ne wo mo no wo mo be chia yam enya asem ketu akura enti yenko nsa wom na no nso yenko tie die asi wo ho a eno nso temamufu o kire se da bi enya de se ye bepene kura ensi.
That the deployment is causing fear and panic ahead of the December 7th polls. Residents accuse the incumbent MP and Majority Chief Whip, Frank Anodompre, of being behind the military's presence, describing it as intimidatory tactics to sway the election outcome.
So, men will be almost share camo any one vest na almost share almost then crew. See, I'm saying maybe a Juma Park station. Nti yen motofone yen drivers yen e wo fa e wo commercial bank nti ejina ho ene ye debate osa peti na omaye osa peti na omaye gban na we di enche nti e ho na wo twam na wo mufu na omo ba yen so e ho no nti yen memere mesto na osa peti na ba ko pia me koko na me se we di menti ase nti me so me ya wo na wo tu won ka na wo koi
on sorry no yen adwuma ase IGP. Now one sorry dear in some Bebreee, yes, because ye manum ye nianum ye papa no bre because of some ye and domotin to Bebreee na I on my dreams about no omo aban. It's yes IDP say obe sorry na why any juma. So just for now, a PC, a MPP for PC, Edina Babegu, Ediwoma Babegu some. Yes, so some open to Quack, one Russia, a Honan Toka, a Kosovo, and Yan Sama Bebreee.
Man owns soldiers aba it's our own police station omukita tuwo tama mobile no muti car Toyota BH ash omusi from no muko say commander maybe a commander party car no muti na omukita tuwo person omu yanchi omu say yes we are soldiers for nibi so omu say omu ye soldiers for yes we are soldiers.
NDC party ni se niema bi wo ho a ekoso a wo mo ebo enyoso because wo ma hu se enkofo bi pese election we na nkasa no wo mo eye niema boni bi no wo mo se da bi wo mo mpene enu ntinura wa abrom the press conference ahihye so a honorable Yamin eti adwam a chese wo address eye nsentrofo no wo kansem Bebreee
anya boko officer about where da yanim ochira no MPP for FSF or more a chinchim MPP for Enra Jumre at the Mema 200 every crime Abigu Ashanti region. Now Ashanti region so Nyamiadum there was Asojafuo Bebreee Wahanmoa Ashanti region in here Asojafuo one free baby reinforcement. And for MPP4 to bring soldiers about who we empower from Accra, say Omo be deploy Omo in Ashanti region. Now my deploy Omo and Ranajo to 34 constituencies. Omo deploy omo so anye soja car na di omo ko e nemo individual cars and omo de ko cars no so any numbers wo ho there's no number plate our cars no yan NDC for a frame ho e ka kire mo say the before fee say omo de nkofo a from reference on professional military men. Normally, soldiers they are show. So, I'm doing better to say Asojafuo. Some profounding in Obia, in Bebreee will be a now, young NDC, I am prepared to see a back confront to Omo in anything they want to. As far as the peace of this country is concerned. You bear with the last drop of our blood. You mujana ba come. You be defending the victory of the NDC.
Press conference na air koso no. E na NDC mabunu bi bowura ho. E na omo se mo yempanyimfo ne mo ba ye behwe ne atea mo ye behwe ne atea mo pa because mo ya niama ho sem bi asa mo yempanyimfo ntimi nkantie nra NDC security ni bowura ho press conference na say catch and say mon sorry this is not time for press conferences there be monko grounds was na mo ya 2020 ye chesi ye lucy abana poto sabre high wa betena unum ti a wo ye press conference anything wa abra won call for grounds enu nti enra NDC security fo no e pam wo mo mpanyimfo no yin central phone speakers no microphones ni tutugu ye catch am so mo sorry this is not time for press conference no mo sorry no mo nya adwuma no mo nya ise wo mo ase wo mo yi wo mo homa no wo say this time around udisia wo mo betwa enye press conference asem de wo de beba no enu anom so de be hia nti enura na nya asem keto akra
omo Djka press conference kwa se asema mo ye ni ni na for so dey ni se omo ni dey o se o take action na press conference awo ye ni ni na ko bi afa na impie wa se asema no ko ka se e dey ba se ah o be se o ba ti ba power se no se o ah any se no se o ye kwa se asema no ni NDC sometimes taking them into granted slow. Sano, the fee says I am MY. Yeah, fee said press conference and my use to and Nunti Nasi and Ma Timbia Soria press conference, press conference. And Nunti go Musina, ye Bemuno, ye Mufu, by Yenya Butre, Emma press conference and still never possible. My name was a waste of time. I say a catchy press conference. Nadia was say you making sure say no more better nasi. They take action because I dear MP funny ye BI or and who information. And this was that information now. I didn't know yen taking measures to that information. Yen no. Na yen see tinasi and na press conference no. Na ya say na again say you mo ye no. Enya no kwai no. And nothing e be ya say adie no. And you say ABA, your national organizer, and I say party no have a problem. Because this election, you say Papa John Dramani Mahama will be winning hands. Party security, yeah, Begina, yes. And you was say, yes, you pay, name to my day, name my papa, a winning election. And nothing a bear say, any party, you be no problem. The problem is said. Papa win powers.
Enu nti se de mekan na abato ba akopɛ Asojafuo Bebreee ena kyese omu okrum wudi agura ebe mu ate widie mu ankasa widie mbe ya doko eti se de ade asi kyerɛ agumu no na no na nkofo bi so omo nte ase because ye to aba please men ye use omo ye die nti ena afa die ase soldiers na mo deploy omo a wonom ene nanenam krom hunehuna nkofo te se de ase de okun bi na asie ne eba bepata womo se nya de se wonom ebe pene kura abuzunya se wonim se ene na ye to aba no ejabo ejayi pumakwam ama ene ankasa ena ye to aba no me makoto me de aba so hwe me nsa inkina me de me nsa enum no eno no ai enkase bia me de me nsa kwhye be me pacho inkina aka me nsa makoto aba me gidi se wonso akoto because abato de ehia se wonso obekwa akoto aba no obi antake decision amfa ama se wanto aba na bibi koso a ya hwe no wankasa why because wono wankwa ankoto okoto ye bi anka amanisa sanity ntie nankasa ena yeto aba onim se special vote ne de ekoso on the 4th na ene emom ena chese yeto aba eno nso enya asem keto akura na edie na asie eba to ukompesua ne su bebra abato ne holding on the entire holding on and say as a validation stamp issues and on a bachelor say stamp esi ade na yeto no so credible na say ekoba say ebi ni so na say yento yeto wie na ne mukotwa begum na mo de stamp bebre ekosisisi so a na ye ne den enu ntu ko empesua no so ba bia wonoma wo ye representatives for various parties and say see yenhu se validation stamp no esi so a EC officials enya de say yɛbɛkɔ so ato aba no ɛno nti baabi wɔ hɔ abatoɔ no anhyɛ aseɛ ntɛm because of validation stamp issues na isi no wɔn de buy na bi ni so bibia no ɛkyɛ sɛ adeɛ na yɛtoɔ no ɛyɛ credible bibia no wɔn sɛ adeɛ na yɛtoɔ no yɛto wi a yɛbɛhunu nsunsuaso papa bia because sɛ wo de adeɛ ɛbrɛ me ɛte sɛ deɛ mi kɔ disco wobɔ me stamp no ma hu sɛ no korɛ mi wura mu ni mi pia yɛbɛma me kwan saa ma pie because stamp bɔ me nsɛm na ɛno ne adeɛ ɛkyerɛ sɛ adeɛ na yɛtoɔ no ampa from EC office ba oko baabi a EC for buy na kyerɛ sɛ validation stamp ni so ɛno nti ama officials ni bebree sɛ nya adeɛ sɛ aba ne deɛ wɔnom ɛbɛtoɔ na wɔn to kora na wɔn sɛ nkɔm yɛ fish ɛno nti abatoɔ no baabi wɔ hɔ a anhyɛ aseɛ ntɛm kora yɛnkɔ hwɛ baabi a sansansɛm ni bi nso ɛkɔɔ soɔ.
Realize you're having some issues with the officials here. What exactly is the matter?
You know, based on the declaration form by the EC, there's a portion that validation stamp number to be filled before start of polls, and they are denying her that access. So it's not my document; it's their own document. So what I'm asking is, they should fill the number so that we'll start, so that I'll have the copy of the number. Am I asking too much?
And what are they also saying?
And they also are telling me that the superiors also the orders given to them that we shouldn't be getting access to that number.
Has there been any finality to this entire issue, or still being sorted out?
No, they are still stand by their rules, their order from their boss, and the rules also state clear. Before start of post, all this portion has to be filled before we start the post. So as I'm standing here now, if that portion has not filled and I have not gotten that copy, we are not going to start them.
No, but it's past 7 a.m. and
but you know, let's do the right thing. Can we just ignore it and just go ahead? So assuming if look at what listen to what she's telling me. I'm coming after the post, and we have foreign materials into the box. How can you differentiate it? So what are you hiding? It's transparent. What are you hiding from us? So do you now understand my point?
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, madam.
Mijiri se wankasa wahunu die eko ene die eba makatro sa abato ehun sensem bia pin kura ne tofom a ye de ebesom na emom abusua de tie ne se Bebreee na anto aba Bebreee na anto aba Bebreee na anhya da anto aba because wohwe 2020 abato a turn out no abusua na eye different from this year abato na nkasa. I don't know. The entire se Bebreee na mpia nkwa nkoto aba. Me metoma ba o manso nkwanta. Me ko ye che se me namfofo amini wo mo ne ade wo frɛ obi a na me de me koye adwuma me de me wo fuom ne ade. I was like, "Hey, masa mo mpia meto aba o." Bebreee na nto aba, and I don't know the reason why. As I fear about to no because said they make an 2020 ko ba bia lie pa. Enya asam keto a me ko ho in the morning. Onsan kan no pan so de nka bekọ akoto lie ba we me koy no lie bia nse dani wona ba bia me nam a me ko starting from Ajamesu Dominance Anwan Kwanta Epoano ede ko Amansie West ho ne de wonhye dan hunu senkofo akira ka so a chese ye to aba. I was like, "Hey, what is happening?" Is about to hu hia nkofo biemu ana se de na Bebreee na so omonto aba no Bebreee na mpia nkwa nkoto aba. By a movie the obey any day, yakwa to because me cement and as moving take a decision. And for me, want to abana, obi bato, I take a decision at the amount. Sa enetie, enunti, Bebreee na said the American one anko to aba. Ebusia hey Djka Nyan Support TV. Make sure so be subscribe. Now friends, we are pressing notification button for more uploads. Our friends who pay money transfer. Ebiana wo Canada wo US. Iro baby a obi a wo send this card ya bagana. Make sure say Pay application and no be download it at your phone. So Android users, uko Play Store. Ubetimi download this. Also now use Apple phone. E hon so ko Apple Store be download it. Now the at your phone. So name mo download it we now send this car. Don't forget to use my promo code. Ebebu say promo code be no about Djka. Now they are shame Djka. Now they are shame wo di shame wi a abusia. Eno ena ebem wanya $5 kwa edi account sika no. Wa wo send this car no. Dia wo send this sika na bra ne Ghana nso ne ente ne kapre. Eno ti da bia meka say Pay eye amansan boafo. Pay eye amansan boafo. Me da say Asojafuo na hwe be abato na ekoso ye hwe the outcome de ebeba bia no ye de beba abesom e wo Djka Nyan Support TV. Eno nti keep your eyes very close on this channel. Said the beya de beto phone bia no ye de ebesom. Macrow, bye bye.